No,
He need
sure.
to run in. He need to run in because of the blue.
You wanna kill him then? I'm
Oh,
moving to your
spotted
position.
enemy
When he's
over
coming
here.
in. More than one.
Oh shit, both sides also occupied.
Oh my god. Backing, backing.
Wait, I'm going to
backing.
JJ side first.
We get out.
I don't
They're
see him.
coming in. They're running. They're running.
Shit.
Phase 6, they cannot survive. Vehicle, one more vehicle coming.
Direction?
Same direction as
Hey,
I saw.
Here.
I'm going to. Yeah. You're right. Oh, a shot,
behind
shot,
you got
below,
people.
Here.
below us, below us.
Ah, here. Here, up here,
Sorry, go.
yellow marker up top. Further higher.
He come down.
Oh, now he's almost
Coming
dead.
down.
He's almost dead. He's almost dead.
Who? Where?
Below here. He's healing. He's healing. Nice. Smoke first.
I go and get, we get.
JC, you got smoke? I'm behind you.
I'll smoke already, yeah, I'll smoke already. I'm
Hey,
waiting.
the other side, northwest. Behind.
One down. I tapped his bum. Throwing grenades over the hill.
Wait, someone here.
Yeah.
What's here?
Going.
Oh, nice.
Going.
Here.
Jackie, we're split up.
Over my side, blue got people.
Shit.
Yeah,
I'm
over my
coming
side.
over. Shit, I need to come over.
Go ahead.
Hey, one on top. We are split out into pairs, huh?
I running out of healing now.
Need to get his.
JC, where you are?
Behind you.
Okay,
I'm
I'm
right
moving
behind
up, Like the chicken man.
Yeah, I got his healing.
you. No. Sorry. Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Chicken dinner!
Finally!
And we wanted to
Jeez.
police party.
Oh, there's a loot crate coming down to celebrate.
Is that for us to loot something? Is there something we can keep?
Let's take a look.
JC is half a chicken man.
Oh, nothing.
Chicken dinner.
Just a real,
see?
no, nothing. Just a normal loot crate.
You see, you stay on just nice for the